Using small wood furniture and decor pieces as mini woodworking projects offers a plethora of benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics. These projects provide opportunities for creativity, skill development, and personal fulfillment. Engaging in woodworking, especially with smaller items, allows individuals to explore their artistic side while also achieving practical outcomes. One of the most significant advantages of working with small wood pieces is the accessibility they offer to beginners. Unlike larger projects that may require extensive skills, tools, and space, small items can be tackled with minimal investment. This accessibility makes woodworking approachable for those who might feel intimidated by larger endeavors. Beginners can gain confidence as they complete manageable projects, gradually progressing to more complex designs as their skills improve. Moreover, small woodworking projects can be completed in a relatively short amount of time. This immediacy is gratifying for individuals looking to see the fruits of their labor without the lengthy commitment that larger projects often require. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can make as mini woodworking projects. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The satisfaction derived from completing a project quickly can motivate individuals to continue honing their skills and taking on new challenges. Each finished piece serves as a tangible reminder of their progress, reinforcing their commitment to the craft. Engaging in many woodworking projects also encourages creativity and self-expression. The versatility of wood as a material allows for a wide range of designs, styles, and finishes. Beginners can experiment with different techniques, colors, and shapes, giving them the freedom to develop their unique aesthetic. Whether creating a rustic wooden planter or a sleek modern shelf, the process of designing and crafting allows individuals to infuse their personality into their work. This creative outlet often leads to a sense of accomplishment and pride in one's creations. Furthermore, small wood projects can be easily integrated into existing home decor, enhancing the overall aesthetic of a space. Individuals can create pieces that not only serve a functional purpose, but also complement their personal style. A handmade wooden picture frame can hold cherished memories, while a small shelf can showcase favorite books or decorative items. The ability to customize these pieces allows for a deeper connection to one's living environment, making the space feel more personal and inviting. Another advantage of focusing on small wood furniture and decor items is the opportunity to develop essential woodworking skills. Each project presents an opportunity to learn new techniques, such as measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing. As individuals practice these skills, they gain a deeper understanding of the materials and tools involved in woodworking. This foundational knowledge is invaluable, as it lays the groundwork for tackling more complex projects in the future. Additionally, working on small projects can foster a greater appreciation for craftsmanship. As individuals engage with the material, they begin to understand the intricacies involved in creating quality pieces. This awareness can enhance their respect for the craft and inspire them to pursue excellence in their work. The time and effort invested in each project contribute to a sense of pride in one's abilities, reinforcing the value of patience and dedication. Small woodworking projects also promote mindfulness and focus. The act of working with one's hands can be meditative, providing a respite from the fast-paced nature of modern life. As individuals immerse themselves in the process, they often experience a sense of flow, where their thoughts are centered entirely on the task at hand. This mindfulness can lead to reduced stress and increased overall well-being, as individuals find solace in the rhythmic motions of sanding, cutting, and assembling. Moreover, these projects can serve as a form of therapy. Engaging in creative activities has been shown to have positive effects on mental health. The act of crafting can be a constructive outlet for emotions, allowing individuals to express themselves and process their feelings. As they focus on their work, they may find clarity and a sense of accomplishment that translates into other areas of their lives. The therapeutic benefits of woodworking can help individuals develop resilience and coping strategies, contributing to a healthier mindset. Another compelling aspect of creating small wood furniture and decor pieces is the potential for sustainability. Many woodworking projects can be made from reclaimed or scrap wood, promoting a more environmentally friendly approach to crafting. By repurposing materials, individuals can reduce waste and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. This aspect of woodworking aligns with growing concerns about environmental impact and encourages individuals to think creatively about resource use. Additionally, small wood projects can be incredibly cost-effective. Beginners can often find scrap wood at local hardware stores or through community resources, allowing them to create beautiful items without a hefty investment. This affordability opens up woodworking to a broader audience, enabling individuals from various backgrounds to explore the craft. The ability to create functional and attractive pieces without significant financial commitment can be empowering, encouraging individuals to pursue their interests without fear of overspending. Creating small wood furniture and decor pieces can also foster a sense of community. Many woodworkers enjoy sharing their projects with others, whether through social media, local workshops, or community events. This sharing can lead to valuable feedback, encouragement, and collaboration. Engaging with fellow enthusiasts can inspire individuals to try new techniques, share ideas, and celebrate the successes of others. The sense of belonging that comes from participating in a community can enhance the overall experience of woodworking, making it more fulfilling and enjoyable. Furthermore, small woodworking projects often encourage experimentation. Beginners can play with various designs, finishes, and techniques without the pressure of committing to a large-scale project. This freedom to explore fosters a spirit of innovation and creativity. Individuals can take risks, try unconventional ideas, and learn from their experiences without the fear of failure that larger projects might evoke. This experimental mindset can lead to unique creations and a deeper understanding of the craft. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can make as mini woodworking projects. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.